instinct.
What's up everyone, my name is Alex Kouras and welcome back to my YouTube channel. To get started with this haircut, I'm going to be using my brand new $37 clippers that I got off Amazon using the no guard lever closed. So for this self haircut, I wanted to change it up and do something different, so I'm only going to be going up about ½ an inch using the no guard lever open.
Instinct.
So when you're cutting your own hair, you have to make sure that you go over the same part numerous times just to make sure that you cut off all of the hair. Now using the no guard lever closed, go ahead and flick out that bottom hard line. Using the 1.5 guard lever open, I'm going to be going up my head about 1 inch to 1.5 inches for that third guideline. Sometimes I like to go up a little bit higher towards the back of my head because there is a little bit more real estate on the back of your head than there is for the side. So going up a little bit more in the back of the head isn't going to be a problem when you're fading in your hair. So for the fourth guideline, I'm going to be using the number 1 guard lever open, and really all this guard is going to be doing is softening up that bottom line, so then you can go in with the next few guards and take out that bottom line. Using the half guard lever closed, begin to start flicking out that bottom line. Now again, using the half guard lever open, go in a little bit higher and continue to flick out that bottom line until it's completely gone. One thing that you guys will always see me do on top of flicking out is using the corners of my clippers. It's a great way to continue blending in the hair and really removing any type of hard lines that you see. So this step might be a little bit more advanced for most people, but I'm going to be using my thinning shears to take out that hard line right by my part line to blend in the hair from the faded portion on the side of my head to the length on top. I know I tell you guys this all the time in so many self-haircut videos, but getting yourself a pair of thinning shears will be game-changing. These things are super versatile and you can do practically any type of blending with these thinning shears. So even though these guys aren't sponsoring me to talk about their clipper, for $37 off Amazon, I'm telling you, 10 out of 10, these guys are legit, and these things definitely do compete with my Wall Super Taper 2 clippers, which cost me around $80, so definitely check these out when you have a chance. So I also recently just bought this wall trimmer for like $70 or $75, and pretty much the only reason why I use this trimmer is to use the foil shaver to go over my neckline. I recently did a self haircut using this beard trimmer and it turned out really bad, but I did make a video on it, so if you guys want to check out that video, I'll leave it linked in the card section above for you guys. So for the styling, I'm going to be using some Hans de Foucault claymation. Again, not sponsored by this company, I just really like their products. And so using about a pea-sized amount of product, I'm going to rub it in, emulsify it into my hands, and then go through all around my head from back and forth, side to side. Don't be afraid to rub it in everywhere. So once you feel like you've messed up your hair entirely and dispersed the product all throughout your head, grab a tiny bit more product to finalize the hairstyle. Sheesh! This is the after for the self haircut with the $37 Amazon clippers. I don't know about you guys, but I think this self haircut came out pretty well. I'm very impressed with this clipper and I'm probably going to be using it a lot more and then try to make a comparison with my Wall Super Taper 2 clippers. But if you guys did like this video, make sure you leave a like and share it with your friends. If you're new to my channel, make sure you guys click on the subscribe button down below and click on the post notifications as well to never miss a new video. Feel free to leave a comment with any type of video ideas that you guys want me to do next. I'm always in the comment section reading you guys' comments. I'm always in my DMs on Instagram reading your DMs and answering all of your questions. But thank you guys so much for watching and I'll catch you next time. Peace!